Oh no! We'll never make it now!
Wait a minute. Do you hear something?
It'll be us, Donald and Dougie, my lads. Rest easy. Your knights in shining armour here to save you from the unrelenting elements. Oh, aye, and snow that would be. What a muckle nuisance it all is.
Donald and Douglas, I'm glad you've come to the rescue once again, but...
Please hurry! We need to deliver these presents!
Oh, aye, of course. We're on it, laddie.
Thank you so much, Donald and Douglas. When it comes to snow, you both work wonders.
Dinna fash yourself. Just put down Saving Christmas as part of our job descriptions. You two take care. We're going to look for other engines that need a rescue.
Wait! Have you two seen James? Oh dear. We were so busy dealing with the snow, we didn't even think about James.
Don't worry, Ryan. I'm sure together we can find him.
Help!
James!
Oh, thank goodness!
Didn't Donald and Douglas see you? They swept the other two lines thoroughly.
Ugh! Yeah, I'd say they missed a spot. Couldn't even hear me as they went past.
When we got separated, you should have waited for us.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Let's get you out, James. Then we can keep moving. The sooner we finish delivering the presents, the better.
That's the spirit, Ryan. We're safe now, but the presents must be delivered. If we hurry, we can make up for lost time.
We make a team together. 1, 2, 3. We go full steam together. Him, you, me. Best of friends forever we'll be. Yeah. Better together. Being really useful every day. Being good and helpful every way. Bringing happy holidays. Keeping us cheerful. We may doubt there's a thing we can do, but this Christmas I know we'll get through. We make a team together. 1, 2, 3. We go full steam together. Him, you, me. We roll along together all the way. We make a team together, together. 1, 2, 3. We go full steam together. Him, you, me. We roll along together all the way. We make a team together, together, together.
Ah, thank goodness. We're almost done.
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
I'm looking forward
The
to...
bridge is collapsing! Oh! Go, 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 go!
Wow, this storm is full of surprises.
Hopefully that's the final one for tonight.
Oh, finally!
We did it! We made it together!
We did, didn't we?
Ryan, are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm just surprised. I didn't think I could be brave. You've always made it look so easy, Thomas. I never thought I could be like you. But today, I was.
Ryan, we're all proud to be friends with a hero like you.
Well done, you three. The railway staff were all talking about your minor incidents from last night. To have dealt with all those obstacles and still delivered the presents on time is a real accomplishment. You've saved Christmas for everyone on Sodor.
Oh,
Thank you, sir.
As a reward, I'm giving you the day off. And tonight, you'll be the guests of honor at our Christmas party here at Knapford.
And then we struggled on with our snowplows. And then a tunnel got blocked. And Donald and Douglas rescued us. Oh, and then a bridge collapsed.
Wow.
Very impressive.
Amazing.
Yeah, that's the abridged version.
We were so worried about you, but you braved the storm and saved Christmas.
We may have been worried, but we never lost faith. Well done, everyone. Now then, would anyone care for a little caroling?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Good show, Ryan. You did it.
I've escaped an avalanche or two myself, but I wasn't such a scaredy engine about it.